job as an apprentice is for post-production. I'm doing assistant editing for Horse and Country TV. It's been good, it's been valuable as well, because I've been able to learn different skills and improve on skills that I haven't known before and stuff like that, and I can apply it to personal work. The best thing is probably learning new skills, learning how to do stuff differently and to look at stuff with an editor's eye more than just a normal view, that type of thing. It's good to work here. The team is quite small, so it's nice to have a smaller company to work with and you get to know people better and stuff like that. It's good to be a Cyfle apprentice as well, because when you go back to college you are with like-minded people, so you can make new friends in that sense and stuff like that, so yeah, it's good.